morning, futures traders. This is David on Monday, June 13th, 2022. The time is 9:32. Okay, I hit the ES earlier a little while ago. It's where I hit it for a little bit of a long, rather. And then I hit the NQ. I didn't hit that one because I was watching the ES. I'm just turning it on now, see what it does. Turned the volatility shield on. Its volatility on the VIX has been 31.9. Yeah. The Nasdaq is down 437 points. The ES is down 124. So we should probably look for shorts.
Order filled.
Come on, let's get up there. Boy, this stuff is all over the place today. It's not bad right there. Come on, buyers.
Target filled.
See, it's rallying.
Stop filled.
Okay, come on. I've already got 19 over here. But the NQ, I had to be a little cautious on it. I had to turn the volatility shield on. Maybe we'll get something here. Probably won't if I have it on. Let's see, maybe a long rally.
Order filled.
Come on, get up there. Come on there, shoot up. Get up there, buyers. God, the sellers are just sitting in there. Yep, they want to sell it down. Wow, sideways.
Stop filled.
Come on, make a move. The volatility is pretty much down now. Yeah, it's up to 32 still, but come on, my favorite NQ. Let's see something. God, I just want to go in a pattern. Let's see.
Order filled.
Here we go.
Order canceled.
Baby. That's the break I was waiting for. Wait.
Order
I
canceled.
got green. Okay, holy shit, I had to wait forever on that. Oh. Didn't think it was ever going to do anything. When it flushed right down. What was the win? Okay, let's see here. The strategy performance, I think, was... Yeah. Okay, print properties. $1,900. Commission. Oh, I don't have the commission in there? Ah, oh, son of a gun. Alright. Yeah, well, if you do this all month, you'll make 60,000 and 1,900 there. Doggone it. And this one, 1,900. Don't have the commissions. It should be about $80. minus, so that's 58,000. Booey. And the time is 9:43. So looks like there was some downward movement and it caught it beautifully. All right. Well, thank you for watching. I will make more videos.